One could say that I have a really bad habit of buying gear. Talk about this, 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 and this. And also the 10,000 GoPro mounts, which I have no idea where they are. Okay, so if you're new here, then my name is Jason and I make vlogs and videos occasionally. So the thing is that all of this gear, including this camera that I'm recording on right now, has been replaced by one device, just one device, and that is this iPhone 12 Pro. Now this has the telephoto lens which replaced this camera that you're watching on right now, and the wide angle lens which replaced the GoPro. And that is why I don't use any of this gear. It's rarely used. The GoPro is used sometimes as a POV camera while I'm cycling. So now I was in Panjim at the passport office and I just made a quick trip to Camp Clinic, which is a camera store in Panjim and in Margao, and I was tempted to get something new. Let me show it to you. And here it is, the DJI Osmo Mobile 4. The thing is that the camera is stable, it has optical stabilization, but it is not that stable. If you have been watching my videos, if you are a little bit more shakier and you see the video just go haywire. So that is why I have this DJI Osmo Mobile 4. Without wasting any much time, let's just do a quick unboxing. I know it's late. You have seen unboxings of this before. It's almost a year old now. But why not? Let's just do an unboxing in my style. So let's go. Okay, so now here we have the box with us. Okay, so now let's just switch to the camera. We have the DJI Osmo Mobile 4 here, and guess what? It has some key features, which is magnetic mount for the first time. We have foldable and portable design, which was there with the old one as well. Active track 3.0. It has active track 3.0. It has quick roll, so you can just flip it like that and you can shoot low very easily. You can just hold the gimbal, turn it this way, and it's gone into low mode. We have gesture control as always, and we have story mode, which I don't know what it includes, but I know it's really good on this. So without wasting any much time, let's just flip it open. It says creating magical moments, because you know this has a magnet. Some basic information which we don't need. Okay, going in here we have, just keep this aside for now. Let's go with this. We have the tripod, which is kind of dope. It feels kind of loose and cheap kind of as compared to the tripod in this. Okay, so let's place this aside. We have the data cable, which I already charged this. I already have updated this. Keep that aside as well. We have this, which is a rubber footing, so that you can increase the height if you're using like smaller devices, like an iPhone 7, 8, SE2, Samsung S8, etc. You don't need that. We have it's attached to this. Okay, stuck. Okay. Here we have the magnetic mount. This is what I'll be using for my phone. It says the future of possible. The future of possible. I don't know, it makes no sense to me. Keep it aside. Here we have the gimbal itself. Look at this. Just look at this. It's just so small. It's just the right amount of weight to it. Let me just show you. Look at this. You just take this, flip it open like this, and that's it. You take the mount and you just attach it. Ooh. Let's just do it again. Just look at this. Just look at this. It just goes to your hand, man. The magnets are so powerful on this. Okay, let's just do it. Let's just keep it here. Okay. Okay, so in this box, the create magnetic moments box, let's just see what we have in here. We have the carrying case, and okay, it's just some cloth case. Just flip it open. See, we have the strap. Okay, see, we have the strap. We have the bag, which is very soft. It's so soft. Damn, it's really soft. I thought they would give us a hard case, but no, just gave this soft case, which is not a big deal. We have this, which is used for alignment. For this is a pop socket kind of thing. So you can just put it in a phone and use it as a pop socket. So this is something that you use a pop socket. But this is going to live on your phone. Like take for example this phone. The center of gravity is right here under the Apple logo. So if you put this on this, oh, it's sticked kind of. It's just going to be there. You'll be hiding the logo. When this is something that I don't want to do with this phone. So I'm just going to take this off, keep this aside, and I'm just going to use this mount. That's simple. Okay. So let's just mount this phone. So just for this demonstration, I'm going to use the iPhone 11 and not the iPhone 11 Pro because it does not have a case on it. I'm just going to use this for now, and to show you, this has a logo which side the camera should be. So you put it in here, more or less put it in the center, This and the Osmo 3, the 3 and the 4, you do not need to manually balance the phone. It automatically balances it for you. Like, talk about other stabilizers, you gotta really use the screw and just turn it around and finally balance it before you can use it. On this however, first of all, let's just put the tripod on. This makes it way easier. Okay, we have this. Let's place it on here. Okay, we have the phone which has the magnet on it. So we're going to quickly press and hold the power button and turn it on. Hear the beep. It's on now. It detects that there is no phone on top of this right now. So just imagine I put this on this. Won't detect. It won't detect that there's a phone here. So take this. So now we'll take the phone which has the clamp attached to it. Align the magnet with the cut here and just place it like that. Here. Okay, so it's aligned. It's kind of balanced. It's balanced. It has balanced itself. Okay, you see it's dancing around, but wait, it's not done yet. I'm just gonna go and double click this so it resets, and just look at it. There it is. It's balanced the phone for you. You don't have to do anything. You see this? You double click the M button, flips the camera. You press and hold it. It goes into standby mode, which is this. I don't know why it has to go up, but this is the standby mode. And you press and hold it again. It's back in action. Also, you can just use a joystick to go up and down and left and right. And just look at it. It's just so stable and It's so stable. You can press it once and hold it. That puts it into sport mode. And what happens in sport mode is that it's just it responds very fast. It just turns around very fast. Okay, so here's an app which you can use to do the settings and get registered and stuff for the warranty. I've already done all of that, and I don't think you want to watch this. So let's just go out and get some shots with this. I'm going to show you how good this thing works. Okay, so now we have the gimbal on the iPhone 11, and let's just go around. Just put it into ultra wide, and right now we have two cars. That is the Ford Figo, which is in red. We have the Swift. We also have the Swift Desire, and let's just let's just take this car because it has really dark tints. You can see the tints with this This car has no tints. This is a top of the line model. This is not the top of the line model. This has normal tires. This has alloys. So you know what? Let's just use this car and go out and get some really cinematic shots with this. So let's just go.